Hello, my name is Oliver, and I am your teacher and friend. And I want to welcome you to Hello, my little kitties.
We are the kitties that learn the words we have heard. Our minds are right, our eyes are bright. We are smart, we are ready to start our lesson. So let's get it, let's get it, let's get in our minds. We are smart, we are brave, we are beautiful in every way. So let's start today.
Hello, my little kitties. I am so excited to teach you our word list for today. So let's get our learning caps on. You are great students, my little kitties. Let's learn together. Played. P-L-A-Y-E-D. Pretty. P-R-E-T-T-Y. Phone. P-H-O-N-E. People. P-E-O-P-L-E. Quit. Q-U-I-T. Ride. R-I-D-E. Rain. R-A-I-N. Right. R-I-G-H-T. Really. R-E-A-L-L-Y. Said. S-A-I-D. Slow. S-L-O-W. Stop. S-T-O-P. School. S-C-H-O-O-L. Sister. S-I-S-T-E-R. C. S-E-E. Shook. S-H-O-O-K. Soil. S-O-I-L. Sports. S-P-O-R-T-S. Small. S-M-A-L-L. We've come to the end of another great learning episode. You are such great students. So let's keep going over our word list. You deserve a star. Have a great day, my little kitties. That's our show for today. Now go out and do something nice for someone else. Have a nice day, my little kitties.